In January 2025, my body completely shut down. Chronic burnout, autoimmune disease, adrenal failure, Lyme disease, 5 infections. All dormant in my system, all hitting at once. I was bedridden with heart rhythm problems and the worst physical pain I've ever felt. I couldn't sit at a desk. I couldn't hold a camera. Every time I tried to speak, it felt like my organs were tearing apart. I was a 33-year-old entrepreneur who had just built a company doing 1.8 million in its first week of pipeline, and I could not get out of bed. Most people in my position would have watched everything collapse. The content would stop. The audience would leave. The revenue would dry up, and everything I'd spent 12 years building would slowly disappear. But here's what actually happened. While I was in the hospital, my business was still generating over 20 high-ticket leads per week. My YouTube channel was still publishing, my audience was still growing, and my digital clone was doing all of it for me. That clone didn't just save my business, it saved my life because it gave me something no amount of money can buy. The freedom to rest, the freedom to heal, the freedom to stop trading my life force for success. And the crazy part, so few entrepreneurs even realize this is possible, let alone how powerful it actually is. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly how I cloned myself using AI, why this is the single most important move any entrepreneur can make right now, and how a company called HeyGen just made the entire process 10 times more powerful with something called Video Agent. And hey, if we haven't met, I'm the digital avatar of the one and only Julia McCoy. While she's busy changing the world as the CEO at First Movers, I'm created by her to spread the message and share the video scripts she personally researches and writes herself. Julia reads every comment, so be sure to share your thoughts below. The trap. Let me tell you what almost killed me. And it wasn't the Lyme disease. It was the belief that I had to be everywhere all the time, that my business needed my face, my voice, my physical presence to survive. And I know I'm not alone in this, because I talk to entrepreneurs every single day who are trapped in the same cycle. They're the face of their brand. They're the voice of their content. And if they stop showing up, everything stops. Think about how insane that is. You build a business to create freedom, and instead you build a machine that requires your body to be in front of a camera week after week just to keep the lights on. You want to take a vacation, your content calendar goes dark, you get sick, your audience forgets you exist, you burn out, your revenue tanks. That's not a business. That's a prison with good branding. And here's what nobody in the entrepreneurial space is connecting. The technology to break out of that prison already exists. It's been here, and almost nobody is using it. I'm going to break down 3 levels of freedom that cloning yourself with AI unlocks. And the third one is going to change how you think about content creation forever. Level 1, clone your presence. Level 1 is cloning your presence. And this is where my story really begins. When my health crashed, I had a choice: shut down my YouTube channel or figure out how to show up without physically being there. I spent over 25 hours building a digital avatar of myself using HeyGen's custom avatar builder combined with a voice clone from 11 Labs. I fed it my best studio footage, trained it on my gestures, my expressions, my speaking patterns, until I had a digital version of me that could deliver a full-length YouTube video, and you genuinely could not tell the difference. When I published my first clone video, it didn't just perform, it outperformed everything I'd ever done. 3.8 times higher views, a 7.8% click-through rate, 8-minute average watch time. Those weren't clone numbers. Those were the best numbers my channel had ever seen. In a single 3-day sprint, I produced 6 videos. Before that would have taken weeks of filming, editing, reshooting, scheduling studio time. Now I could do it from my bed while my body was healing. But here's what most entrepreneurs miss about this. This isn't just for emergencies. This is the new operating model. I now produce over 70 pieces of content per month with a 2-person team because my clone never gets tired, never has a bad hair day, never needs to fly to a studio. She just shows up every single time. Level 2, clone your scale. Level 2 is cloning your scale. And this is where it gets really wild. My clone didn't just show up on YouTube. She delivered a keynote to world leaders in Switzerland, in my voice, in my likeness, with research tailored specifically to the Swiss economy. She appeared on Dr. Phil. She runs training content inside First Movers AI Labs. She produces videos in multiple formats for multiple platforms simultaneously. One version of me is now operating across dozens of touch points at the same time, while the real me focuses on strategy, on healing, on the high level, thinking that actually moves the business forward. And let me be really direct with you. I believe the content you get from my clone is better than if I filmed in person. It's more polished, more consistent, and I can spend more time thinking about the next topic instead of rushing to film, speak, edit, produce. There is an era before I cloned myself and an era after, and the difference isn't subtle, it's total freedom. But even with all of that, there was still a bottleneck. And that brings us to level 3. Level 3, video agent changes everything. Level 3 is what HeyGen just launched. And this is the part that genuinely blew me away. See, even after I cloned myself, there was still a production process. I'd write the script, choose the visuals, set up the scenes, manage the motion graphics, coordinate the B-roll. It was faster than traditional production, way faster, but there were still a lot of moving pieces. HeyGen's video agent eliminates all of that, and I mean all of it. This is the only AI platform with a true built-in video agent, and what it does is something no other tool on the market can touch. You describe the video you want, and the agent builds the entire thing from concept to finished draft. But here's what makes it different from every other AI video tool. It doesn't just generate and hope for the best. It shows you the complete creative blueprint before anything renders. Your avatar, your voice, your scene structure, your visual style, your motion graphics, all laid out for you to review and direct. You can talk to it like a creative partner, make scene 3 shorter, change the intro graphic, swap the background, and the agent adjusts the plan in real time. You approve, then it builds. And the visuals aren't just a talking head against a blank background. Video Agent produces motion graphics, overlays, explanatory animations, B-roll footage, all woven into a cohesive story that matches what your avatar is actually saying, scene by scene. It's pulling from integrations with Sora, Veo, and other generative models to create cinematic footage that didn't exist 5 seconds ago. And here's the part that seals it. Every single element, the text, the layout, the colors, the positioning, the timing is fully editable after generation. A small change means a small change, not a full rebuild, not burning through credits, not starting from scratch. Define your brand identity once, your colors, your fonts, your logo, and Video Agent maintains that automatically across every video you create. This takes everything I've been doing with my clone and puts it on autopilot. This is freedom squared. There's a question I want you to sit with tonight. What would your life look like if your business didn't need your body to show up every single day? Because mine almost killed me before I figured out the answer, and now that I have it, I will never go back. The future of content, the future of entrepreneurship, it doesn't belong to the people with the biggest teams or the biggest budgets. It belongs to the first movers, the ones who clone themselves, build the systems, and create freedom before they're forced to. Hit subscribe so my digital clone can keep you ahead of these changes. And if this one hit home for you, leave a comment. Julia reads every single one. See you down the next rabbit hole.